friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Creative Tech Guru. Today I am going to tell you about string operations in Python. Basically, what is a string? String means it is a group of characters. Means a group of characters is called a string, and in strings we cannot perform any mathematical operations. Even if it look like a number also, we cannot perform mathematical operations in strings, but we can perform concatenation operation. So now we see what is strings and how to do operations using strings. For example, now I am going to give the string value is nothing but a group of characters. I am assigning it to the first, that is the string name. Now if I print this first, it will print the whole string. So the same way, now I am creating one more string that is named as second, that is now if I print this second string, it will show the second string. See, now using plus operator, I can concatenate the first string and the second string. For example, see, now I am taking as a full string. Here I am concatenating first and the second string, and I am using space in between that, so that's why I am giving after addition symbol. I used double quotes to get separation of the two strings. So if I print full string, that is full str, it will show the concatenated view of the both strings. See, for example, now you can check the output: Creative Tech Guru separated by space, then New Guru. So we can perform concatenation operations only in strings. We cannot perform any mathematical operations. So you can do one thing, means if you want print something in 3 times, a string you want to print in multiple times, so you can write like this. For example, this is a multiplication operator. See, now I am giving 3, so it will print the Raju 3 times. See, like that you can perform this to print multiple words at a time. So here in strings we have slicing. Slicing means, what is slicing? Slicing is nothing but cutting a substring from a whole string is called slicing. So for example, first you have to know what is indexing before going to slicing. So I will show you what is indexing. See, here you can see string indices are indexing. Means any string, if we want to slice it, we should mention that index numbers, then only we can slice. Means from a string we can take each individual character using that index value. For example, see, Python, this is a whole string. Here we are indexing, means inbuilt it will take indexes, that is left index as 0 and 1 2 3 4 5, as the length of Python is 6, so it will take up to 5 only. So always left means index, if we want to take from left, it starts from 0, and if we want to take the indexing from right, it starts from -1. So here in -1 in right indexing, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. So same thing now we do here. For example, see, now I took a string, that is Python. So here now I want to take the index value 0. So now I am going to print this string using slicing. So here I am giving the index value, that is 0. Now it will print only the 0 index value, that is P. See, here also you can check the 0, in the 0 index P is there. Okay, then same way in slicing, here if you want to give a starting value and the ending value up to where you want to take, that also you can give by giving colon in between the starting value and the ending value. For example, see, now I am going to give first index and 4. So it will print up to this one, from starting one index value to up to 4 only. It will not print the 4 value because it doesn't include that 4 value. For example, check the output. See, yth, here y is 1 and t is 2, h is 3, means when we give 4, it will print up to 3 only. So the same way, if you want print up to 4, then you have to give like this. Then it will print up to 4. So, and we'll check negative indexes also. For example, see, in -1 position n is there. Okay, then next again, if you want to see -3, now it is showing h value. So like this we can do slicing using index numbers. If you want to start from left, it should be 0 starting value in the left indexing. If you start indexing from right, it should be -1. Okay, then we can update the strings also. For example, see, now I am creating a string, that is okay. Now if you want to update a string value, actually strings are immutable, means you cannot change the elements of a string, so that is called immutable. So we can reassign that string to different strings so that we can update, but in strings we cannot change the characters or elements of a string, that is called immutable. So strings are immutable. For example, see, now if I want to change the string value, that is, I want to replace, if I want to replace that capital C value as B, so it will not take, it will show error, means strings are immutable, so you cannot change the elements of a string. But if you want to update, you can update. Means how you can update is, you can assign this string variable to another string variable. For example, see, now I am assigning this str plus Here I am giving